Many of us need a strong coffee in the morning to get going. It seems the humble honeybee also finds caffeine compelling. University of Sussex researchers believe plants produce caffeine in their nectar to fool bees into thinking it contains more sugar than it does. The insects will repeatedly visit those flowers, helping the plants maximise pollination. 2 false flowers were set up, both containing sucrose and water, but one with caffeine as well. ID numbers were glued onto those bees exposed to caffeine. The bees were then sent back to the hive.
What we found was that caffeine would have the effect of more sugar, and the one with caffeine attracted more bees, but in particular the bees who were foraging made more dances, about 4 times as many dances.
The bees' waggle dance influences the behaviour of others in the hive. Many bees were directed to revisit sites where caffeinated nectar was previously found, even after the feeder ran dry. The team thinks plants may be lacing their nectar so they can pass off substandard forage.
What the caffeine is doing is it's the plant manipulating the bee in a way which is good for the plant, but not so good for the bee, because the bee is kind of being tricked into thinking that the nectar is of a higher quality, that is, it has more sugar, than it really does.
It's a reminder that although mutually dependent, the interests of plants and pollinators can conflict. By giving the honeybees a caffeine buzz, it seems that plants are leading them a merry dance.